another day, another vlog. And before tayo umalis, I always apply my SPF. And kung hindi ka pa nag-SPF ngayon 2025, ewan ko na lang talaga. Kasi we all learned na kahit hindi naman summer, kailangan talaga natin mag-SPF. And ang dami ko na nakikitang videos ng effects ng sun when it comes to your skin. Guys, super duper happy ako kasi finally, meron na yung Vaseline Serum Burst Lotion na may SPF. Like, I've been waiting for this. Like, and to think, guys, grabe. Ang daming plus nung SPF nila. SPF 50 PA+++. This is yung kanilang Gluta-Hya Serum Burst Lotion Luminous Defense. And you know naman, guys, how much I love yung Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance nila. This pink one. Lagi ko pinapakita before any vlog. Super duper comfy kasi nito sa skin. Hindi siya sticky. And to finally have an SPF version of this one, thank you, Vaseline. And napansin ko rin dito, guys, nakalagay, it's 70 times more powerful than vitamin C. Like the ingredient vitamin C when it comes to skincare, and to think na 70 times more powerful siya. This is just the best for your glowing skin. And guys, I love the scent. Like, mabango talaga siya. And nabasa ko rin, guys, that it has hyaluron, which is hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic kasi, guys, it gives you like a glowing, moisturized skin. Those are the top skincare ingredients talaga that I find when I look for skincare. And to think that this has sun protection pa. Grabe, Vaseline never fails with their lotions. Super non-sticky siya. Wala siyang parang white residue. It just doesn't feel like you're applying SPF. It just feels like you're applying serum or like skincare on your skin. So guys, if you want to try this, I will link it down below. This is yung Luminous Defense Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum Burst Lotion. So lahat na check niya na may sun protection, non-sticky, plus meron pa siyang mga skincare ingredients which gives you that glowing skin. Hello! Papag-groom ka ba? Ha? Hello guys, we are on the way. Ang first agenda natin today is ipag-groom si Casper. Iwan siya sa groomers. And then pupunta ako sa bank kasi may kailangan lang ako asikasuhin. And then after that, uuwi ulit because susunduin ko sila mama, magsusumba si mama. And maybe tumingin sa Vista Mall ng salamin. Gusto ko ng bagong salamin kasi medyo ano na to, parang nalalabuan na ako. Kailangan ko na ata magtaas ng grade. And malapit na rin yung flight training namin, so I think I need to have an extra glasses din. And then after that, maybe baka mag-dinner din kami or whatever. And pala, ipapa-deworm din siya sa vet later pagkatapos ng grooming niya. So ang dami niyang agenda today, ano. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me and then maybe let's see what happens to this vlog. Sad guys, wala na yung mga puno dito.
Hello guys! So gusto ko naman i-voice over ang mga vlog ko since sometimes mahirap din magbasa ng mga subtitles dyan. So actually, hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog this day, but ang nangyari lang is iniwan ko si Casper sa groomers and actually ayan na after na agad, diba? Kaya hindi nga ako nakapag-vlog. And then here, nasa Vista Mall lang kami, which is his favorite place. Lagi niyang gusto mag-walk dito. And impulsively also, napansin ko na medyo lumabo na yung mata ko, kaya nagpagawa ako ng bagong glasses. And sakto rin, magpapa-student pilot license na ako. So, kailangan 2020 corrected vision talaga. And then for dinner, nag-SNR lang kami. And it just feels good whenever kaya mo nang i-treat yung family mo to food and stuff like that. So, yeah. So, ayun nga, nakakita kami ng funeral car na nagpapatugtog ng Squid Game theme song. Like, anyways, this day naman pumunta ako sa Geely owner gathering sa Alabang. And Alabang looks so good, guys, no? And of course, ang parking, punong-puno ng Geely cars. Mostly white, pero kitang-kita nyo naman, may pink na Geely Cool Ray Sport. Ang ganda, diba? And then, may mukha pang Iron Man red na Ascara. So, this Geely owner gathering happened at Carrera Cafe. This is my first time going here. And honestly, it was so much fun to be with fellow Geely owners. And we gotta admit, there has been a lot of happenings within Geely. And in this gathering, they just explained their future plans with Geely. So Geely Philippines will now be under direct operations from Geely. And in their own words, they just want to improve customer relationship and a more effective business development strategy. And also get excited, guys, because I don't know how much I can tell you, but they will be releasing new car models, especially hybrid and electric cars. Hopefully, this is a new start for Geely. They also announced that they have a spare parts center here in Laguna and then within the year in Cebu and Mindanao. So hopefully this means a better after-sales service. Thank you, Geely Philippines, for the invite, and we just can't wait for the future plans ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Today is another day, and I'm going to be going to Pasay because we already have our medical for our student pilot license. So finally magtutuloy na yung ground school namin. And ayun, so sa Pasay pa kasi yung medical. So pupunta kami doon today, and it's a very jam-packed week this week. So madami akong ganap. So hopefully I can bring you guys with me sa lahat ng ganap ko for this week. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I am here sa Rob na. And actually guys, magko-commute lang kami today. But bukas kukunin namin yung bagong kotse ni John. So okay lang na mag-commute ngayon para, di ba, the excitement for tomorrow mas exciting. So yeah, hintayin ko lang siya dito for a while. And then punta na kami sa medical.
So I think dito talaga nagpapa-medical when it comes to aviation related. But yung mga medical namin seems basic naman, like CBC, urinalysis, drug test, X-ray, ECG. But one thing's unique is yung audiometry. So this is the audiometry room. It's filled with soundproof material, pero to be honest, naririnig mo pa rin yun nasa labas. So what you have to do is you click the button whenever you hear a sound. And guys, the sound is so faint and small, kaya grabe talaga yung focus ko dito. Napapikit pa ako ng mata para lang makafocus. I pass naman, so guys, take care of your ears if gusto nyo mag-pilot. Now we are on the way to our flying school, which is Fast Aviation Academy. Grabe, I can't believe we're already so near to ground school. Ang tagal namin hinintay to. But they just toured us around sa mga classrooms, simulator, and other parts of the flying school. We also bought na rin a fast polo, so papakita ko sa inyo later. But I'm so happy that we're finally here and about to start. Of course, I will be vlogging, guys. So stay tuned for my student pilot diaries.
Hey guys, after almost a year, eto, 1 year talaga. December 2023 pa tayo. Last month na eh.
Paano mo alam exact number?
Tapos ikaw,
Exact date?
ikaw yung March tayo may class na.
Less than.
December.
Samgyup, salamat. Gutom na rin ako.
So we just catch up, guys, kasi ang tagal namin di nagkita. Almost 1 year nga, sabi ni Hilaire. And by the way, ang sarap pala ng samgyup. Salamat, guys. Like, don't get me wrong, na-try ko na siya dati, but I wasn't impressed. And ngayon, nag-improve sila. So, quick catch up lang with the friendies, and pauwi na kami. And we saw this new LRT station. It's called Redemptorist. And guys, mapapa-Philippines ka kasi ang linis niya and bago.
Guys, this is a new station. Ang tawag dito?
Redemptorist.
Redemptorist. Wow! Social! Wow! Philippines! 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 Just got home, guys. Medyo haggard na tayo. But I fitted the fast polo. Ito yung flying school kung saan kami magpa-fly. I'm so excited to start ground school. Like, kahit matagal kami nag-wait, I'm still excited. So,
Nagkakaligaw-ligaw nila dati.
finally, the time has come. Nakukuha na ng car yung boyfriend ko. Ang tagal na namin naghihintay for this, but this is it! He always wanted a pickup talaga, specifically a 4x4 pickup na white. So, ito na actually yung car niya mismo, but we have to handle papers pa.
Hey guys! Today, hindi ko pa na-share, but we're getting my boyfriend's car! I'm so proud of him. He worked hard for this car and gusto niya talaga pick up, kaya nandito kami. So, ipipick up na namin yung bago niyang car and it's a Mitsubishi Triton Athlete na 4x4. It's the top of the line and I'm so proud of him. If you're watching this, I'm so proud of you, baby. This is my outfit today. This is an all-new outfit from TikTok shop. I can't believe may pants na kasya sa legs ko. Sobrang laki ng legs ko. That's why. Maybe if malilink ko down below, ililink ko sila. But I love my outfit right now and also my shoes. Bago rin yan, but it's from Lazada. We got ready for this day. So yeah, I'm so excited.
So, we ate muna dito sa Chicken Fandian because medyo inabot na kami ng lunchtime handling all the papers kasi lahat ng mga kailangan signan and everything, today lang namin ginawa. And guys, kung kukuha kayo ng car sa Mitsubishi pa ako, dito kayo kumain. Literal, tapat lang siya and ang sarap. Authentic Chinese food just never fails. We ordered nga pala yung chow fan, then fried chicken, then lechon kawali, and yung kikiam. Ang sarap lahat, guys. So guys, medyo matagal din kami sa dealer. So medyo skinip ko na. Nandito na kami sa part na binibrief na kami about the car's warranty. And ito, hindi na siya makahintay. And then ito, binibigay niyo yung freebie sa amin. It has a free parang pang car wash na set. And then finally, we're going to the car. And may libreng payo nga pala, syempre. Sobrang excited ko kasi ang tagal na namin pinag-uusapan to. And super sakto din ng timing kasi nag-handle na kami ng student pilot license namin na ng daming balik-balik sa Pasay. So guys, God's timing talaga tong car na to. And here it is! Sobrang exciting and nakikita ko talaga yung ngiti ng boyfriend ko from this angle kahit wala siya sa video. Sobrang saya niya. Let me know guys if you want a tour of this car. I know some of you guys subscribe to me because of my Geely car reviews. So if you guys want a tour of this car, let me know in the comments.
Isang start nga dyan.
Teka, paano po kayo yung aircon?
Morning everyone, it's another day and right now papunta kaming Kaap because we're gonna have our class 2 medical for our student pilot license. Dito pa kami nagpark sa Naiya Terminal 2, ang layo kasi wala nang parking sa Kaap. But yeah, I'm very excited.
So here naman sa Kaap Medical, we only did an eye exam, dental exam, and tiningnan din kami ng doctor for like physical examination. And also we had to submit yung mga medical na ginawa namin sa MedAsia before. So yeah, that's how my day went. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado guys. It's hectic, but yeah.
Hi guys! So today, on the way ako sa Curls by Zen event. I'm with my boyfriend. Pinasuot ko rin siya ng green kahit straight hair siya. Ayan. So, yeah, I'll see you there. And yung event namin is at Odd Cafe, Makati. First time ko lang mapupunta doon. But I think nag-event na sila before doon. Yeah, I'm excited to see my fellow curlies. Laging it's a good time when I'm with my curly friends. And yeah, I'll take you guys with me. And guys, I'm so proud of my makeup right now. Ngayon ko lang ulit nagamit tong lashes na to, yung Fox Eye. Kasi parang before, ang pangit ng pagkakalagay ko. Tapos ngayon, ang ganda ng pagkakalagay ko. Ang ganda niya. So, kung gusto niyo siya, ililink ko sa description. It looks like naka-wing eyeliner ka, but hindi. And this is a Maybelline Lifter Gloss. Link ko na lang din down below.
Again, I'm the worst vlogger ever talaga. Wasn't able to vlog a lot of clips, but I really enjoyed this Curls Kick-Off Kapihan. Always a good time with my fellow curlies. And here, in-announce lang ng Curls by Zen Nutrients yung plans nila for the year. And super exciting din. I think they will launch or relaunch a current product with a new something. Stay tuned, guys. But other than that, stay tuned for my vlogs featuring my fellow curlies. For sure, the future events, isasama ko sa vlog yan. Thank you for watching this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed kahit hati-hati siya. See you on my next vlog. Bye!